Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Verified Drops. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to participate in the Binance Pay new activity. You can win up to 3,000 BUSD for first time using Binance Pay. You just need to send at least $0.01 worth of any cryptocurrency. Once you send to anyone, you'll be receiving a token voucher. I'll just be taking us through right now, so you can just click on this. When you click on that, you'll be seeing the activities rules. You'll be seeing how to participate. So you just have to tap on the right corner of the Binance app homepage. Then you tap on the send icon. You enter the recipient's address or phone number or pay ID or Binance ID. Step 4. Choose your preferred currency, at least $0.01 worth of any cryptocurrency. So you must send at least $0.01 worth of any cryptocurrency. Then you just click on this continue button to complete your transaction. I'll be taking option how to do that right now. For you to be able to claim this activity, your Binance app needs to be an upgraded app. It needs to be an upgraded version of the Binance app, either iOS or Android version. If you've not updated your app, you just have to go out to Play Store, or if you're using iOS, you just have to go out to your App Store. You just ask for Binance. When we're seeing this update, we just have to update the app. You have to click on update. Once you've updated your Binance, you just click on this open. I've already updated my Binance app right now. I'll be performing the activity right now. I'll just be going towards my wallet. I'll click on this my wallet. When I come over there, I need to go over to this funding. When I come out to funding, I need to go over to this pay. Then I'll be seeing this send button. We have to click on this send button. We have to send $0.01 worth of cryptocurrency to anybody. Once you send it, you'll be winning up to 3,000 BUSD voucher. Without send via email address, without send via phone number, or their pay ID. You can also send using the Binance ID. You just have to select the method you want to use. Okay, I'll just be using phone number. I'll click on phone number. I've already entered the phone number. I'll be entering the amount. I'll just change this. I'll be sending BUSD. I'll just select BUSD and I'll be entering the amount. So we have to send $0.01 worth of any cryptocurrency. We'll click on this continue button. When you click on that, we'll be seeing the transaction details. We have to select the payment method either from our sports wallet or from our funding wallet. So I'll just be making use of my sports wallet and I'll just click on this continue button. And we have to complete this verification. I'll just be clicking on this send code. The payment is successful. I just made a payment of 0.01 BUSD. I'll just click on this send gift. The payment is successful. I'll just be going back. If this is your first time of completing any transaction on this Binance Pay, you'll be receiving an instant cash voucher. You don't have to go out to Binance. You have to go back. Okay, when you come back, I'll just be going over to home. You have to go out to your profile. When you come out to your profile, you'll be going over to this reward center. Then you'll be claiming the particular voucher you received. But I wasn't given any voucher because I already made a transaction on Binance Pay before. The Binance Pay reward is for those that haven't used the Binance Pay before. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.